This is the amazing view in front of our listing at 738 Crescent Road Northwest. I had an awesome open house here on the weekend, Saturday 2 to 4. This upcoming week, I'm also going to be hosting another open house if it's still available. One of the recurrent conversations I was having with people was talking about the value of the land and the lot and the location. Now, these inner city view lots always command a really impressive dollar price. I'm running some sales here within the last couple years at the bottom of the screen. The numbers at the bottom of the screen here by no means represent land value sales, but to understand the value of the land gives you a really good framework to understand the value of the property. And the best way to observe that is if you see someone purchase a property with the land and the house which exists is then knocked down, that tells you what at least someone else thought the value of the land is worth. And in that respect, if you can come to a conclusion about the value of the land and you then know how much the cost to build is, it really gives you a nice framework to understanding a value of the property. Now, these view lot locations within the last couple of years have ranged in this north side between Rosedale and Briar Hill in some of these view lot locations like Briar Crescent or Crescent Road, a 1.6 to pushing towards, in some cases, almost a $2 million sale price for the land. Now, this particular property is being listed for $3.3 million, and it's 4,200 square foot home, and the cost to build relative to the cost of land, truthfully, we can honestly say that this property's price below replacement cost. Now, again, that cost to build is always a moving target and is something that really needs to be viewed on a home per home basis. But if, again, you want to get some understanding of the value of particular properties, if you're ever in a position to get a sense of the value of the land, combine that with the value or the cost of construction, it gives you a great context to know if the property is within the fair asking price range. Incidentally, of course, also there's the value of time which needs to be considered. These specific custom homes take a couple of years to build, and so there's a real definite value to that as well. I hope you found this information helpful. Any questions about such questions, please feel free to contact the Ramage Group. Thanks for taking the time to watch.